Hello, welcome back to How to RV. I'm Jason, and today I have an exciting news and a project that we're going to do today. It has to do with this water heater. Now, I don't know about you out there, but I love my hot showers, and I don't like to sit there and turn the water on and off, you know, those military showers, and have to run out of hot water, or at least have to worry about running out of hot water. So the project is to get this out and to put in a tankless water heater. Now there's tons of videos out there about people taking these out and putting tankless water heaters in and how to do all that stuff, and I'll try to find a link to one and leave it down in the description below. But anyway, I don't want to bore you with all the taking this out and put the other one in and all that stuff. We'll show you some clips, but I wanted to show y'all what is the difference between this and the other when it comes to taking a hot shower. Now, to set the tone on how I set up my water heater to do this here test. So I turn on the electric side of the water heater. It's probably just like yours if you have your stock water heater in your camper. So I turn the electric side on so that it can start heating the water. And then I went and turned on the propane so that it is also heating up the water. So yes, you can heat up your water heater with the electric and the propane on the water heater that came with your camper. Also, if you want to know more about that, then look down in the description below. You'll see a link to a water heater video that I made about how all that works. So as you see in this clip right here, we're going to turn the water on and let it come out of the shower head. And I'm going to give a thumbs up for when the water gets hot. And then after that, after the water runs for a little while, as it starts to get cool, I'll start to do this. I'll start to turn my thumb. That lets you know that we're starting to lose the hot water, but it hasn't gotten cold yet. Once it does get cold, then I'll do this, turn it down. So up at the top up here, I'm going to put timestamps to kind of let you know how long it took for me to get the water from the water heater all the way up to the shower, from the time that it gets hot to the time that it cools down, and then to the time that we have no hot water at all. But anyway, we're gonna take that water heater out and put in a tankless water heater. So we wanna see what all the differences are gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a hyperlapse. That means speed up the video and show you where I'm taking out the water heater and putting in the tankless water heater and getting all that done. But don't leave. While we're going through that hyperlapse, and believe me, it won't take long, just a few seconds, please go down and click on the subscribe button and give us a like. Click the little thumbs up button. Sure helps out the video. All right, so this took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Well, only because I had to go to the store to get some fittings, and there are some fittings that I wasn't too awfully sure about. Something called a G1 1/2 inch or a 1/2 inch G fitting. I don't know, it's something for the water. Anyway, I did finally figure that out. It took me 3 hours to go just to the store, get the fitting, and come back. Anyway, since it took me so long, I have kind of run out of my day, and I have got to tidy up, get everything in the camper before it gets all the dew on everything for the night. So we'll get everything in the camper and ready for tomorrow and get all that stuff put back together, make the next video, and have it out next week for you. In addition to having to get everything cleaned up and put back away, I got to get the gas line fixed tomorrow, and there is a controller, as you see right here. I got to figure out where I want to mount it. So leave down in the comments, what do you think? Where should I mount that controller? Should I try to run a wire all the way back to the bathroom, or just mount it somewhere up close by? Just keep an eye on it and have it set. So anyway, enjoy your hot water. At least I will with mine soon, as soon as I get everything put back together. And God bless.